Hello friends, I welcome each and every one of you on my channel. Today's recipe is veg and need no introduction as it's one of the favorite of every Indian from young to old. It is healthy, divine in flavors and a wholesome meal in its own. So let's quickly see how this delicious chole palak paneer can be made. Here I have taken about 1 cup of chickpeas and I have soaked it overnight or soak it for about 8 hours. These are 2 bunch of palak or spinach which I have cleaned thoroughly. Next day you can see the chickpeas have soaked very well. I'll be adding these chickpeas into the pressure cooker. Add little water and salt as per taste. Close the lid and give it about 3 to 4 whistles. Here I have boiled the water and I'll be adding the spinach leaves into this. I'm doing this process so that the palak will be or the spinach will be blanched properly and will retain its color. So do not overcook it, just 2 minutes is more than enough. Now discard the hot water and pour in the cold water over the palak so that the cooking process will be stopped immediately. Now I'll add this palak into the mixer grinder. And then I'll make fine puree out of this. So I'm adding in half inch of ginger and 1 green chili which I slit into 2. This is hot green chili, so I just added 1. I'm adding it about 2 tablespoons of water. Do not add too much water and make puree out of this. Now you can see our green vibrant puree is ready. Now heat a pan and I have added 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or the jeera seeds. Let it crackle. And I am adding half inch of ginger. Four to 5 garlic which I have chopped. Then sliced onion. This is about 1 medium size of onion. Saute this into the oil. Now I'll be adding 1 cardamom pod. Saute this further till the onion softens. Now I'll be adding roughly chopped tomatoes. This is about 1 medium size of tomato. Mix it thoroughly with the onion. Now I am adding in about 5 cashew nuts and mixing it with the onion and tomatoes. Give it a stir and saute till this masala becomes soft. So now here I am adding the coriander leaves along with the stem, as the stem has lot of flavor, so please do not skip this step. If you have the stems, please do add. And the onion and tomato have softened and it's ready. I'll be adding this into a mixer grinder and make it a fine paste. And the onion and tomato paste is ready. Here I have again heated a pan and I'll be adding about 1 teaspoon of ghee or the clarified butter. Then I'll fry the paneer pieces till it turns golden brown in color. Once the paneer pieces are golden brown in color, remove it in one plate and keep it aside. In the same pan, I'll be adding half an inch of cinnamon stick and 1 bay leaf. Then I'll be adding the onion paste that we made earlier. I'll put little more water into the mixer grinder and take out all the remaining residue and add it into the gravy. Mix it thoroughly and saute this till the masalas are cooked. Here I am adding about half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and salt as per taste. Then mix all the ingredients very well and let the masala cook for about 2 minutes. I kept the flame on medium. I am closing the lid and let the masala cook for about 2 minutes. Then I'll open the lid and I'll be adding the boiled chickpeas into the gravy. Mix it thoroughly and let it further cook till the gravy reduces and becomes thick in consistency. Again I have closed the lid and I'll cook this on the medium flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, you can see the gravy has already reduced and has become very thick. At this point, I'll be adding the spinach puree which we made earlier. I'll add little more water into the mixer grinder and pour in the remaining residue in the gravy. Give it a mix and combine all the ingredients thoroughly. I am adding salt as per taste. Please remember this spinach has lot of sodium content, so adjust the salt accordingly. You can taste the gravy before adding the salt. Give it a mix. Now I'll be adding chole masala. I use average chole masala. You can use any chole masala of your choice. Mix it thoroughly. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of cooking cream to give that rich and creamy texture to the gravy. And immediately mix, otherwise the cream might curdle, and keep the flame on low when you are adding the cream. After about 1 minute, I will be adding the fried paneer pieces. Mix the paneer pieces with the gravy. Now let's prepare tempering for this. Here I have heated a pan. I have taken 1 teaspoon of ghee. In that I will be adding chopped garlic. I have taken 5 to 6 garlics and chopped them finely. I will add into the ghee and I will saute this till it becomes golden brown in color. Now the turmeric have already changed color and has become very crisp. I'll be adding this tempering into the gravy, and this will give that burnt garlicky flavor to the chole palak paneer. Give it a nice mix. At this point I have already switched off the flame, and our yummy chole palak paneer is ready to be served. I hope you like today's recipe. This is really awesome and healthy recipe, very delicious, and you can enjoy it with paratha, chapati, naan, then pulao or simple rice. Then if you like the recipe, please share your experience in the comment section below. Hit that like button, share with your loved ones, and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next videos. Take care and thanks for watching.